Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. Now I am going to explain Finoit hiring software technology from Nodia. Job opening will be 26 and the compensation will be 4.2 LPA per annum. Qualification required BE, BTech, Computer Science, Information Technology, Electronic and Communication. Eligibility criteria 70%, year of passing 2022 they mentioned. This is all about Finoit. And the job description, interview process. First round will be online test aptitude programming. Second will be single choice multiple logical and 30 question. Coding 2 question with 75. Second round technical. Third round managerial interview. Fourth one HR round with the HR panel. Salary will be 6-month training and 4.2. Service agreement 2 year. Penalty will be 1.5. Same check for 2 employees successful completed enrollment of 2 years. And why you just join back work life referral application, learning development, indoor game and activities, celebrities part, tremendous big and Google reviews they mention here. Moment of Finoit with the culture mode, providing the achievement certificate, everything they are providing with the good opportunities from Finoit. The clear description and the eligibility criteria they are provided here and they mentioned here. So don't worry, they won't cheat us in 2-year bond, everything they mentioned here itself. So don't worry guys, you can read here itself also and you can watch here itself also. Both end they are providing interview process, salary transformation, service agreement, everything they mention. Why should you join, what work you are going to work, all candidate things they are mentioning here. So no problem for you joining in this company. The good opportunity for 2022 passed out. Want to apply here button, I will provide the link in the description and start applying. While filling the form, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt and just subscribe to my channel. If you are not subscribed, I am not able to reach you as much soon while in the YouTube. Why? Because of you are not subscribed means how can you get my notification, everything about the job and internship and work experience, everything I am going to provide you. So subscribe to my channel as much quickly. Thanks for watching this channel.